Do you have an app for your business? If you don't, you need one. Today, customers expect a business to have an app. Well, I'm going to tell you where you can get a new, exciting, and custom app for both Android and iOS for your business. For just $29 a month, you'll have an app specially designed for your business, and it will get your business noticed. Top law firms and physicians in California are coming to Los Angeles-mobileapps.com for their mobile apps. You can have your own custom app with a link to your website listed in the Google Play Store and iTunes. And better yet, your customers will be able to download your app from your very own business website. To see examples of mobile apps created by Los Angeles-mobileapps.com, visit tinyurl.com/PFJFXZQ. Some of the features from the apps include one-click call, one-click email, podcast, Facebook, YouTube, website integration, map integration, and much, much more. After you look at the samples, visit losangeles-mobileapps.com or call them directly, 818-481-2447, 818-481-2447 for a new and exciting custom app for your business.